Today is March 29, 2013. My baby's 14 and I sent him a video on how to tie a tie. And he's showing me. Understandably so. We're watching Scent of a Woman together, all three of us. It's one of those movies I always wanted my kids to see. It's a phenomenal movie.
I might have messed up this time.
Girl, you alright? What is it?
Oh my God, EJ, I'm so proud of you, honey.
It's afternoon. You've been sleeping all morning. So what?
Let me see.
I don't know, I thought. I talked to George last
Did
night.
you do it? Bring it here. Get close. Let me see it.
His father's...
Oh, you did a good job, buddy. Oh my goodness, I sound like Auntie Lisa, don't I? Buddy.
He's gonna talk to the headmaster.
Oh, EJ, good job.